Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to play Roblox Speedrun 4. So let's just get started.
I'm gonna look for you guys, okay?
Where are you?
I'm gonna look at. I'll look.
Fine. I hope I don't die because I want to get through many stages. I have played this before, so because I've been on dimension level. How much? Level 7. It's really hard.
Don't oh my god, can you guys wait?
We're waiting at the little portal. Don't go through the portal. It's really glitchy here. Yeah.
Oh, I died again.
Okay, should this be a race?
No. That's fine. That would be so fun.
Yeah, because it's like a race. Oh no, my lips don't be like. It's like it.
Was it free? It's really glitchy. Like,
Because there's a lot of people. I forgot I was recording. Well, you dead.
why did you that?
Come back here.
Yeah.
We already wasted a minute and 34 seconds on here.
Megan, oh, Megan's already there. Sorry, guys.
Wait! No, wait. Blondie's in here.
Flip then.
Because I like to jump. It's like, stop kicking your pants. Because who's playing that music?
Megan,
Dang it. Now I'm going to get copyrighted.
you ready?
Okay, let's go.
What happened?
I died.
Oh.
Wait for me. Just wait for me on the next stage. I'm going. I don't really like this one. Every time I'm recording, it glitches out.
So it's out?
No,
Oh.
the Roblox
Yeah.
glitches out. For some reason, it knows when I'm recording.
I mean, this is what's I'm waiting. Because I'm a good.
Stop breaking. This is here. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Yeah. Why do you think I said let's go?
Oh, God, can you wait?
At the portal. If somebody dies, we wait until the portal because
Oh, I died again.
it's just like jump when it's not glitch. No, I died. Dang it. Okay, why is my face burning up? It's probably from the heat but no. I can't believe I never wear a dress, but today
We started Minecraft series. I died to the cactus.
yeah, we should make a Minecraft series.
That's cool.
Yeah, after this video, when I upload it, we should make a Minecraft series. Me too. This, I don't know why oh, now it stopped glitching. No, it didn't. I feel like Roblox knows when I'm like wreck.
Yeah.
Oh wait, I know the problem. Too many apps open. No, dang, no, I don't like you. Sorry, I didn't want to give any information, so I'm going to cut that out. No, I'm never going to cut any footage out of the video. Because
Okay, I'm at the end of it. Can you wait for me, Mom?
no, I forgot about this part. That's the time I died. I wish I have a stuffy nose because it's like channel wary. Oh, that's actually not. That's good for a beginner. When I first played this, I died on every jump.
Yeah. Oh, can you play for me? Yes.
The bunga, ah! I'm going to look at the store. Yeah. I know it's glitches. I almost died. I'm going right on the next stage. I want to be hot because I wish I had March, but I don't. I really.
Noelle really wants cash and merch. Yeah.
March. I don't. Should I actually tell them real part of YouTube? You know this is going all on into the internet.
Yeah.
Let's tell them the true part of YouTube.
Let's go.
Okay, I'm going to tell you the true part of YouTube. So YouTube makes money off of kids. Okay, there you go. Well, I don't get money, so actually I can't. Well, if I do get money from this, I'm not going to keep all the money. I'm going to keep a quarter of my money.
Yeah.
And give all the money to the 3/4 back to like put people in need.
I've done that before. I got really mad.
There you go. That's part of my channel. Okay, I hope you like this video. No, I'm just kidding. Anyways, I only have like, I don't know, my face is bloating. I really want to make a YouTube, like, Minecraft. I remember, like, I'm really bad at parkour when it glitches out. Oh yeah, during this week I made a challenge. I can't stay on my computer like forever. So I only play like 15 minutes of my my computer.
I can go down.
Dang! No!
Oh, so you guys
Megan pushed me. You should make a death sound. Oof. No. Oof. No. We're just making random sounds. I only have 8 more minutes.
It should be like,
Jumpy. Jumpy's so annoying. That'd be funny. Well, guys, I hope you. No, I'm not going to get. And are you one? Okay, guys, I can't deal with any parkour, so I hope you like this video. Subscribe if you do, because I want to end this, because I'm glitching. Wait, what? I don't have, like, but let's go for 5 subscribers, 5 more subscribers, and about, like, 5 likes. That will definitely support me. Well, bye, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.